How to get balance certificate from the RBC Bank. So of course, first things first is go directly into the RBC application or via the official website. Now sign in into your RBC online banking account and then navigate to the statements and documents section, typically found at the top of the page. Now locate your desired document, such as an e-statement, by using the drop-down menus. Now afterwards, just view and download the document in PDF format to your current device. You could also download it via the application by just signing in to RBC mobile app. Select your account from the list of accounts that you have, and then just simply access your e-statement directly from the application to view or even save or print it out. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to get the balance certificate from RBC Bank.